Every branch opening has its own story. And today, milestone day ito ng isa sa mga franchises namin dito sa Don Antonio Food Park. So, syempre, kasama natin ngayon ang aming franchisee, si Sir Alvin. Ngayon na-open na ang ating above sea level mobile trailer dito sa Don Antonio Food Park. Sir, kumusta naman yung pakiramdam nyo ngayon?
Of course, Boss Wina, I'm very much happy, okay, that finally, nag-open na yung dream food mobile trailer ko. Like I said before, after my journey sa ASL, worth it naman siya.
Yes.
And I'm really very happy and thankful kila boss tsaka sa team niya for making this my dream to come true.
And syempre, maraming salamat din, Sir Alvin, kasi hindi nyo kami sinukuan.
Yes.
Hindi nyo sinukuan ang brand. And kaya po tayo nakarating dito sa milestone na to.
Yes.
So, since nandito tayo ngayon, why is this milestone meaningful for you?
Okay. Very meaningful siya sa akin kasi after 35 years of working abroad as an employee,
Yes.
finally, isa na akong business owner,
Yes.
okay, and operator nitong above sea level. So, sino ba namang hindi magiging masaya at magiging milestone yun? So, ito na yung masasabi ko na certification ko as a business owner na and operator.
And that only shows, Sir Alvin, na kahit isang mobile trailer lang, pwede mong tuparin ang pangarap mo
Yes.
na magkaroon ng above sea level branch. So, gagawin mo siyang stepping stone.
Yes, it's my starting point. Yeah.
Exactly. And we are hoping na this milestone, ang pagtatayo nito ay mag-open pa ng maraming blessings, opportunities, at
Yes.
maraming branches pa.
Yes,
Sir Alvin.
correct. If ma-fulfill yung vision ko, ang gusto ko talaga every quarter mag-open ng above sea level food trailer lang muna.
Yes.
Okay.
Malay mo hindi na food trailer. Malay mo makahanap ka ng
We'll see.
opportunities. We'll see. Hindi natin alam eh.
Hindi
Diba?
natin alam kung ano yung plano ni God, di ba?
Exactly.
So, we're hoping for the best.
Tama. Okay. And of course, your moment na Sir Alvin,
Okay.
invite natin ang ating mga loyal squiders to visit your branch.
Okay. So, hello to all the squiders out there. Lalo na yung mga taga dito sa Commonwealth. Open na kami officially today dito sa Don Antonio Food Park. Come and visit us. We're looking forward to serving you. Also, in addition to that, kasing aming food mobile trailer is a pilot food trailer. So, meron kayong makikita dito na wala sa other above sea level restaurant. Like, we'll be offering giant takoyakis also. Ito yung first na collaboration between Yummiest Takoyaki and above sea level.
Yeah.
So, I'm sure mag-i-enjoy kayo pag visit nyo dito sa aming food mobile trailer.
Ayun. So, thank you so much and congratulations
Thank you din, madam.
again.
Thank you.
To our squiders, we will see you here at Don Antonio Food Park. So for aspiring franchisees looking into business, I encourage you to explore above sea level. If this milestone become possible for Sir Alvin, maybe your branch could be next on our road to 200 branches.